Hey, boys and girls. Pete is with us today, and he wants you to know that syllables are one of his very favorite things to do. He loves counting the syllables in words when he hears them. So he wanted to be here today while we talk about syllables. Syllables are, remember when we were reading stories and I'll pick a word and I'll clap the sounds in it? Those are the syllables. We're counting the syllables. So here we've got Pete's picture and it says one syllable. That means when we clap the sound of the word, there's only one clap, only one syllable in the word. So it's going to be for short words. So I'm going to set you down for a second, okay? Set you right here, all right? Now look at the pictures that are under the one syllable card. We've got grapes. When we say grapes, we just clap one time, grapes. So there's one syllable in grapes. The same for the picture that shows the mud. When we say mud, it's a quick short word. We just say mud, it's one syllable, mud. So these words have one syllable. Very short words. Now we've got two syllables. See, there's two Pete's. We've got two syllables. So when we say the word orange, there's two syllables. Orange. Can you do it with me? Orange. And it's the same for a word like lemon. Lemon. There's two syllables. Let's clap it. Lemon. Again. Lemon. Two syllables. Now we've got three syllables. So these words, they're getting longer. The words are getting longer. And if there's three syllables, we know that it's bigger because three is bigger than two and one. So when we say strawberry, there's three syllables. Strawberry. Strawberry. Same for blueberries. 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 There were three syllables. Now this next picture, it's like a chart that's showing the column that has one syllable, column that has two syllables, and the column that has three syllables, okay? And we see the grapes and the mud for the one syllable, the orange and the lemon for the two syllables, and the strawberries and blueberries for the three syllables. Now I want you to look at all of the pictures on here, okay? We've got grapes, we've got mud, we've got orange, lemon, strawberry, and blueberries. I want you to look at all of these pictures and I want you to think about what you're looking at. And I want you to think about the pictures and what they have in common. How are these pictures the same and how are they different? Is there a picture in here of something that doesn't really fit with the other pictures? Maybe it's different? It doesn't really belong because it doesn't fit in the same group or category. Look at the pictures. Grapes, mud, orange, lemon, strawberry, and blueberries. What do you see? What do you notice? You know what I notice? One of these things is not like the others. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you tell me which thing is not like the others by the time I finish my song? Which picture does not belong because it's different? I think I know. Grapes are something that we can eat. Oranges are something we can eat. Strawberries, blueberries, and lemons are things that we can eat. Those are all fruits. And the mud, do we eat mud? I hope you don't eat mud. Mud is not a food. We do not eat mud. So mud would be the item that does not belong. It's different. We've got fruits, and then we have one picture that's mud. So the mud does not belong in this group because mud is not a fruit. So the mud is different. Good job. We're going to count out the syllables of a few more pictures. This one has a cake on it, which is Miss Jordan's very favorite. This word is birthday. Let's clap the syllables for birthday. Birthday. How many syllables was that? Birthday. That was 2 syllables. Caterpillar. This is one of the first few stages of a butterfly. Butterflies start out as caterpillars. This is going to be a big one. Are you ready? I want you to count the number of syllables that I'm clapping. Caterpillar. How many times did I count? Did I clap? Caterpillar. That was 4. So this word has 4 syllables. Caterpillar. It's a big word for big kids. Apple. Apple. How many syllables? Apple. 2 syllables for apple. Bed. Bed. That's a little word. See, there's only 3 letters. When you see a word that's only got a few letters in it, like 2 or 3 or maybe 4 letters, it's going to be most likely to be a 1 or 2 syllable word. Bed. That's just 1 syllable. Bed is a super short word. Chicken. Chicken. How many syllables? 2. Chicken. My favorite food again. Cake is everywhere today. Cake. That's a short word. I just hear 1 syllable. Cake. 1 syllable for cake. Children. Children. That has 2 syllables. Children. Thank you for those who are clapping with me. I like it when you help. Brother. Brother. How many syllables? Brother. 2 syllables. Farmer. Farmer. How many syllables do you count for farmer? Farmer. I counted 2. And one last one. Butterfly. Butterfly. Look how many letters are in the word butterfly. So we know that that's going to definitely have more than 2 syllables. We know it's going to have at least 3. And it does have 3. Butterfly. Good job. Now, let's look at our names. Let's look at the names of the friends in our classroom. I'm going to go through the list so we can count how many syllables our names have. So listen closely for your name, and I'm going to do your friends' names also. Kaya. She's got 2 syllables. Kaya. All right. Jakai. Jakai. He's got 2 syllables. Jakai. Or if we said Kai, which is his nickname, it's just 1. Kai. Charlie. Charlie. Charlie has 2 syllables in her name. Charlie. Our next friend has 3 syllables in her name. Sylvia. Sylvia has 3. Sylvia. Our next friend has 3 also. Amora. Amora. All right, David. David. He has 2 syllables. David. Johanna has 3 syllables. Johanna. Okay, Tyler. Tyler. He's got 2 syllables. Tyler. Winston has 2 syllables. Winston. Winston. Eliza has 3 syllables. Eliza. LaShawn has 2. LaShawn. LaShawn, 2 syllables. Josiah has 3. Josiah. Josiah. All right. Kobe. He has 2 syllables. Kobe. Courtney has 2 syllables. Courtney. Our next friend has 3. Nicholas has 3 syllables. Nicholas. Mario has 3. Mario. Mario. Jaria has 3 syllables. Jaria. Keone has 3. Keone. Keone. Sophia has 3 syllables. Sophia. And Kendi has 2. Kendi. Kendi. Let's see, Miss Macklin. Let's see. Macklin. Miss Macklin has 2 syllables in her name. Jordan. That's 2 also. Jordan. So we've got names that have 1 syllable, 2 syllables, and 3 syllables, but none of our names went over 3, no more than 3. So either 1, 2, or 3 syllables in our class.